Hi, I'm Doug Chicatano, a product specialist with Streamstar, and today I'm going to guide you through Streamstar's layers for adding graphics and animations to your broadcasts. Layers, or downstream keyers, is a powerful tool for creating broadcast quality results with your next production. So let's get started. Each Streamstar system or software has 4 layers: logo, overlay, CG, and ingest. Layers support PNG and FLV files with alpha channel and transparency for insertion of superimposed graphics. PNG are for static files and FLV are for animated. To insert a layer online, simply click on the layer you want to bring online in the production layout section. A red box will highlight the layer to indicate the layer being online. The graphic that appears in the layer window is a preview of the graphic that is loaded in that layer and will insert online. All 4 layers can be online at once. The logo layer is an excellent option for your network bug and can be set up to display anywhere on the screen. To access the logo controls, click the gear icon, then Layers, and finally the Logo tab. In this section, you can select the file for your logo and load the appropriate logo for your production. There is also a preview window so you can preview the look of your logo. The overlay layer is for pre-rendered graphics and animations. Open the overlay tab along the left side of the content management section. This opens the controls for the overlay layer. From here, you can direct the file path and select the folder for the overlay directory. The Load All will load the first 10 files in the folder into the 10 slots. And by using the drop-down menu, you can select which graphic to load in each slot. The top 5 slots are assigned to the A bank, and the bottom 5 are assigned to the B bank. On the keyboard, you will see shortcut keys labeled A1 through 5 and B1 through 5. These allow you to quickly and easily fire overlay graphics right from the keyboard. The CG layer is Streamstar's built-in character generator, where you can create your own custom lower thirds, full screens, crawls, and scrolls. Open the CG tab to access the CG control and features. As with the overlay layer, you can direct the file path and select the folder for the CG directory. The CG items will have thumbnail previews, and each item will have its own controls. You can preview, edit, duplicate, sort, and delete the graphic. By going to the Edit feature, you can fully edit the properties of the graphic, including positioning the background, changing the text, as well as adjusting the font size, and blocking. You can create new graphics on the main CG page. This will load the edit screen where you can select your desired background and enter your text. The ingest layer is for an external character generator system, like Streamstar's own Score Plus and other third-party systems. Ingest layers are brought into the system via either NDI protocol or by DVI HDMI input. To access the settings for the ingest layer, click on the gear icon, then Layers, and finally the Ingest tab. By providing you 4 layers, Streamstar allows you the ability to create a graphics look that rivals productions costing thousands of dollars more. Plus, with the use of animated graphics and an external character generator, the only limit to the possibilities is your own imagination. Thank you for watching. Please check out our other videos, as well as learn more about Streamstar by visiting our website at streamstar.com.